Oh, this is for a buddy of mine who got a 90 VMAX that doesn't want to fire up. So we're gonna have to go through, check the batteries out, check everything out, see why she don't run. Well, it's been like 4 months since she started the boat. You could tell it's kind of abandoned. I'm pretty sure it's just a false contact on the batteries, but I'll let you know from there. Alright, so this is what we got going on. Let me set you guys up, see what it's looking like. We're gonna grab our trusty snap-on meter and we are gonna check voltage. 10 volts, 11 volts, 'Alright, so I went to go get an extension. Charging. Let's check out voltages again. 12, 10. So this guy is not charging. Got a feeling it has to do with the connector. Yep. More than likely. So I'm gonna go ahead and undo this connector. Yeah, this is corroded. Even the terminal block for the engine. Alright, so let me start undoing this connector, swapping it out. Make sure it has good contact both ends. I'll probably end up redoing that fuse block. Dun, 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 dun. Alright, so let's cut this bad boy off. These factory ones always go bad. Take a look at the wire. It doesn't look too bad. Get our snap-on torch. Oh, that one's smaller. Surprising. Cut this end off too. Just in case. It's been chopped off quite a couple times. Just want to take a quick look, see if it's charging. "14 volts. I'm trying to show you. Oh, it's so hard. That baby. You can see that. So now we're charged both batteries. Actually, you know what? While we're at it, we're gonna do a quick clean. WD-40, and it always cleans off all the grease, all that old grease. VRC dielectric grease. Put a little bit there. Put a little bit on here. Might not go. Someone lost it. I fell. Now I'm going to work on the back terminal. I don't know if you can see it from there. Pull our ground wire off. This one's looking pretty rough. One from the motor. That's going to protect it. From false contact. Alright, so let's go ahead and do our second battery. This one's looking rough, so I'm going to go ahead and redo that. Cut this end off. shrink. Ah, hot. Very hot, my friend. That's right, it was the same size as this one. Batteries don't look swollen. I think they're just low on charge, making false contact. Cut the end off of this one because it's taped on. Some funky stuff happened here for sure. Babe, I love you too, baby. Good. Oh yeah? Oh, I put another shot of espresso in there for you.
I know, I saw when I was sleeping.
Yeah, you were sleeping still.
I was battling monsters in my dreams.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Oh, sounds like you had a great time.
And then I was sleeping.
Sounds like you had an amazing time.
Yeah. And then I was in a nice room with my baby.
Okay, baby.
Where is this today?
In Fort Lauderdale.
What?
Yeah.
Why didn't you tell me? I was sleeping.
I know plans changed. Plans changed real quick. And then after this, I'm gonna probably head down to Miami. I gotta go look at a catamaran after I look at Peachy's boat, and then the bow thruster, and then after that, I'll let you know. But I'll be heading down. All right, love you.
Yeah, I might go to Costco and watch.
All right, baby. I love you. Let me let you go. Yeah, even this terminal block right here for the grounds. What's that one for? Is there any other big wire coming to that? What's this? That's looking all rusty. Well, let's see if we got turnover juice. Yeah. She turns over. Let me actually. All right, so we got water. She's peeing. I got my little jump pack just in case she can't make it. Let's see if she'll fire up. He used ethanol fuel in this thing. Oh, he fired up. Wow. Couldn't believe it. There's definitely water in the fuel. I can see the little float going around. Let's take a look. The last time I serviced this was 3:22, 22. You see the water? That float's moving. So we're definitely running. I'm telling them I need the service for sure. Is it no? No, there's actually no water in the fuel. Thought it did. That filter's looking rough though. Pop this little guy back in here. Lock him into place. Alright. So she runs again. Check this shit out. Full of water. Full. Look at this. Oh my god, what a disaster. That's what happens when you don't care about your boat. The trim tab's not working, I wonder why. Maybe because it's been sitting underwater. Could be a factor. Why everything is destroyed. Who knows? Yep. Plug is still in. Explains a lot. Let's try to take that plug off. Hold on. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna need a wrench. Hold on. Oh yeah, let it rain. That thing was full of water. I'll just let that shit drain.